brand new video. It's been a minute since I've last uploaded. I think it's been a solid 7 months. A lot has happened since I've last uploaded. You could kind of say the worst has happened to the F10, which I'm gonna update you guys in the next video. This video is gonna be about the Z3 I recently bought. If you guys have been following the channel, you might know that I had an E36 which I swapped from auto to manual. I had it for a year now and I sold it. Do I like the Z3 more? The answer is yes, and I'm gonna tell you why. So this is the Z3. It's a 97. It's a 2.8 liters, and man, do I love how this car looks from the back. So it's a wide body variant. Luckily this car does come with the LSD. I think it's a 3.15, 25% locking. There's no badges in the back to say it's a 2.8, but it is if you look it up with the VIN. As you guys can see, I already have an exhaust. It's actually just a muffler delete. That was the first mod I got right after registration and insurance. And I think it's super worth it because I've been enjoying a lot more driving this car. Factory wheels. The paint is kind of faded on the door, fender, the hood, front bumper, all faded paint. The headlights are faded pretty bad too, but I'm gonna clean those up. Probably gonna make a video and show you guys how I'm gonna do that. As you guys can see, all this stuff right here is just from me trying to polish the hood. I'm gonna clean up the car soon, but they all come off. They're gonna come off, like, look. But these are faded. I kind of try to machine polish the hood, and look at what I did. As you guys can see, it's a soft top. The coupes are really expensive. They've always been like that. Here's the interior, pretty basic, and not a lot that could break in here, and I'm glad it's that way. Beige interior, I really don't like it, but for the price I got this car, I really can't complain. This car has 171,000 miles on it, still runs, drives, shifts smoothly 80% of the time. Especially in today's market, it's crazy, guys. Everything has a big markup on it, especially used cars. But yeah, here's the beige interior. Seats torn, so I'm gonna have to replace those. The day I got this car, this broke. I don't know how. I have the pieces in here. Pretty sure I can fix all that, so I'm gonna have to find a new piece. All right, so the top is in excellent condition. It was in excellent condition. So what happened was I was driving with the latches not locked and it just flew back and closed. And once that happened, look, the plastic is old, so it just cracked. Pretty salty about it, but there's nothing I can do right now because it already happened. So I'm gonna try to fix that and maybe show you guys how to do that as well. But here is the look again. Oh my god, guys. It looks so nice from back here. If you guys didn't know, the Z3 was actually featured in a James Bond movie. I think it's the GoldenEye, not sure, but yeah, that's where the Z3 actually debuted. Okay, so the reason I sold the E36 was I've had the car for a year now. Since day one, I've been needing to work on the car, do the whole manual swap, maintenance and all that, and I couldn't really enjoy the car at all. Like, even when I sold it, the car was like 60% complete, so the other 40% had to be done. The door handles were broken, the windows were not working. So the problem which arose was I couldn't really daily drive it, right? I couldn't even take it anywhere and be away from the car, since anyone just could get in. So that was something which bothered me a lot. I know I could have just fixed the window and all that because I already had the parts, but I just felt lazy and I don't want to do it. The E36 was bought by a 17-year-old guy who was gonna fix it up with his dad, so that's pretty cool. Other than that, I got this the very next day with 171,000 miles, and it's been running pretty good. I've been enjoying it a lot. Almost driving it every day. Well, this has been my daily since I've bought it and registered it. I've actually enjoyed this car more in 2 weeks than I did to that car in a year. That car I was just fixing and fixing and fixing. But anywho guys, now you guys know why I sold the E36, and yes, I am happier with the Z3. It's a convertible and it has a 2.8 liters manual, 5-speed, and yeah, LSD, can't really complain. If you guys want to know how much I got it for, comment down below and maybe I'm gonna tell you guys. Hopefully we can make this a sick car and build it and make it really nice for the channel. I'm gonna put in some POV footages for you guys, so enjoy guys, and I'm probably gonna make an update on the F10 soon and upload to the channel, so stay tuned for that. And again guys, thank you for watching.